Boo.
Do.
Aww.
Leon! Lunchtime! Where's Leon? Leah! There it is. Ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Oh my god, hot.
It's hot.
The floor is hot.
So, we redid Liam's room a little bit today.
He like loves sleeping up top. Like he's always in his sister's room up top at night. So we were like, it's just not right to like always put him like in Aubrey's room at night. So we figured he should probably have his own bunk bed if he doesn't like his bed. So
We didn't think about it at the time, but it's like super cool because during the day he can hang out down here and jump around and like hang out on his bed and read books and play with toys.
Yeah.
And then at night he's got like his own little chill spot up here. He can hang out and think about his trampoline.
Daddy.
No worries, dude.
what are you doing? Something happened to our dog. Woke up literally like in the middle of the night, like what is that smell? Like I couldn't sleep and it was so gross. And so I went downstairs and I was like, God, like I knew it was the dog. Like I knew there was a skunk, I knew it was the dog. And I just was like, I can't sleep. And I was all the way in our room with the door shut and everything. And we just figured out where the skunk actually sprayed. I don't know if there's just a bunch of skunks out here, but we've been sprayed twice in the past like 4 months.
Our car got sprayed a couple weeks ago, right like on the street by our house. I wonder if it's the same skunk.
So I was downstairs like cleaning the backyard and I like saw that there was like juice all over the window. It was not juice. It was skunk juice.
Didn't you like dab it with your finger and taste it to see what kind of
I didn't
juice it was?
taste it.
How did it get in your mouth? You said it was in your mouth.
I was up close to it and I was scrubbing it, and I was spraying it, and then all of a sudden like I got close to it and I was like, what is that? And it was skunk, like skunk juice. So it's stuck to our wall and we can't get it off, and it's right by our door. So anytime we open up the door, it just smells like skunk. The dog still smells so bad and it's been like a week. So we've washed her twice, but we're gonna wash her one more time today and hopefully get it out. Okay, Aubrey, are you ready?
I'm putting ice in the lamp.
I'm gonna go do some gymnastics with Aubrey because she loves gymnastics.
Let's get gymnastics.
Yeah, let's go. Woo! Super high. Very good. That was actually a lot better. Do not keep your eyes off of it.
Whoa!
My turn.
Ready? Arms up.
My turn.
Pick a spot
My turn. My turn.
and try to land. You got this. Okay, so you gotta tuck your knees in tighter. Arms up. Tight by your ears. Pick a spot. Tuck your knees. Good job. Just like that. You're gonna get it by the end of the day. Okay?
I am.
You're gonna do it. Woo! You landed on your head.
Mommy's turn.
Oh, mommy's turn.
I'm not gonna. I'm done.
I just get you doing it one time. Landing on your feet. Do you think?
I don't know how.
You can do it. I know you can.
Okay.
Okay?
Believe in me.
I believe in you. So, before you go, what do you do?
Jump. And then keep your eyes on the tie.
Uh-huh.
And then tuck your knees in.
Good job.
And then you
Pick the biggest jump. You know how when you jump, you kind of go a little bit? Pick the biggest one that you get. Yeah, like that. Arms up. Pick a spot.
Mommy, believe you. When I do
believe in
it.
you. You can land on your feet. You got this. You almost did. Do it again. One more time. Come on. Go in the middle.
Do you remember?
Don't go on the edge. Super high. Very good. That was actually a lot better. All right. Are you getting
I'm
hot?
done.
You're done? Okay. Well, that's actually a lot better. Aubrey, you're landing on your feet instead of just your butt. Anyway, so usually it takes a few times to actually land that. and she's doing pretty good. So she was landing straight on her butt before that, but now she's actually like hitting her feet and then hitting her butt, so that's good. So she's gonna take a break because it's getting a little bit warmer out here with her jumping around, and then I think we're gonna give the dog a bath. I think we should, because she is like still so stinky. Isn't that like the perfect baby that just sits there and like eats their toes? Yeah, it's like a baby thing.
Okay, I think I'm gonna put this one in now. Like this? Oh, like this. Okay.
Miley, come on. Miley.
Hey, dude.
I wonder if that's 4 dogs. Do you think it is?
Hey, dude. What are you doing out here?
We should put a bed in there
Look
for
how
her.
sick that is. Got this little chill spot. We've been trying to figure out where the heck she is for a while now, and apparently she's been hanging out in here.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
What are you doing? Seriously, if you guys have boys, like, what is this? What are you doing? What are you doing, Liam? Wow. This is what quarantine has done to us.